Alright, so here's the boat. That's the steering apparatus. They got a rope wrapped around a drum on pulleys on both ways. There's the rudder. Sound like the starter's having a little trouble. Oh yeah. Looks like we got a Zuzu? A Zuzu? A Zuzu, yeah. Well, it looks like a Zuzu. Got a Zuzu diesel. Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome. Got a regular truck transmission and a shaft in the back. Alright, and they got the water pump here, pumps the water. And then the rope turns the rudder. There's the rudder all the way in the back, if you look at it. See it when you're turning the rudder? That's pretty cool.